We are striving to forge our union with purpose, to compose a country committed to all cultures, colors, characters, and conditions of man. And so we lift.
If you don't know, now you know. That is inauguration breakout star and youth poet laureate Amanda Gorman. Now she's getting ready to perform at the Super Bowl pre-show, where she will pay tribute to 3 remarkable Americans who will be honored at the game for helping their communities navigate the very difficult past year. First on CBS This Morning, we're revealing the NFL's honorary captains for the Super Bowl 55 coin toss. Susie Dorner is a nurse manager at Tampa General Hospital in Florida. Tremaine Davis is a Los Angeles educator, and James Martin is a veteran from Pittsburgh. And Manuel Bojorquez spoke with all 3 ahead of the big game.
President Bush, would you please toss a coin?
It's an honor and appreciation reserved for some of America's modern heroes.
Reverend Dr. King, you do the honors.
I'm still very surprised. I'm probably going to be at the Super Bowl like this is not happening.
Tremaine Davis, Susie Dorner, and James Martin all met for the first time on this Zoom call. And in less than 2 weeks, the 3 will be on the field in Tampa, honored for their dedication to community during the pandemic.
I'm still waiting for the psych.
Yes.
I'm still waiting for the psych.
At a time when so many are feeling isolated, Marine Corps veteran James Martin has kept his focus on staying connected. Martin, a father of 3, is streaming high school sports in his Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania suburb free to the community.
She needs a reason to smile.
Connecting fellow veterans through gaming as part of the Wounded Warrior Project, and opening his home to neighborhood kids facing domestic issues.
You know, hats off to my wife, knowing full and well that was going to cost our grocery bill astonishingly. My daughter switched out her bedroom to give the boys the bigger room. Our laundry machine has not stopped. But if it's not for the village, how else do we grow?
My dad kept on saying, is it April 1st today? Is this April Fool's Day? And I'm like, no, Dad, this is real.
It's physically and emotionally exhausting.
Susie Dorner is a registered nurse managing the COVID intensive care unit at Tampa General Hospital in Florida.
There's been a personal toll for you as well.
During the pandemic, I lost both my grandmothers, and I was unable to be there with them as they passed away. One of my grandmothers, she was actually a nurse in World War II, and she would always tell me stories about what it was like to be a nurse caring for our soldiers. She was a very big inspiration in my life.
The work that we do at UCLA is a high focus on first-generation college-going students and also students of color. I'm hoping that you will have more than...
Tremaine Davis has worked in higher education his entire career, now at UCLA, providing mentorship and opportunity to the underserved. He's been a beacon for his students during the pandemic, securing laptops and tablets for remote learning, internet access, and mental health support, all while supporting his family at home.
I'm going to use this to make sure that I represent for all of us that work in these spaces, to be that example of that we do amazing work day in and day out. And if there's one thing that I can be thankful for in regards to the pandemic is the fact that we got a chance to showcase that.
It seems like for all of you, the question that drives you is, what can I do to help?
The commonality of all of us is that we're in a position of stewardship. We're in a position to serve others.
It's because of a nurse that put her head down and said, every day, no matter what the circumstances, I'm going to work and I'm going to do my best to save people. Or a t-shirt that says, the world is about to shut down on these kids. So when everybody does the work, we can all do better.
They are each so worthy of this honor. Now, on top of the honorary captain's announcement, the NFL has also revealed that it will invite about 7,500 vaccinated healthcare workers from Tampa and the surrounding Central Florida area to attend the Super Bowl, and that all 32 NFL teams across the country will be able to invite healthcare workers from their communities to attend the big game. Tony?
Just exemplary individuals. Manny, thank you very much. Vlad, Michelle, I don't know what's better if you're those 3, being the honorary captain and being on the field at the Super Bowl, or having a poem from Amanda Gorman written in your honor.
Yeah.
That is pretty cool. To me, it just signifies a veteran, an educator, and a medical professional, sort of the bedrock of our society. Salute them not just this year, but like every year.
Yeah, and add to that the fact that there will be an audience. There will be fans participating in that game. I know the players are going to be really excited about that.
Can't wait. Can't wait.